Discover how the Maryland Stem Cell Research Fund is accelerating cures.
Hi, my name is Luis Alvarez. I'm the founder of Theradaptive, a Frederick-based biotechnology company focused on regenerative medicine. The company really started with a very simple question, motivated by a really important problem. A lot of service members are coming back from combat zones and were experiencing delayed amputation many weeks or months after their initial injury. And the question really that came to mind was, why is this happening? And one of the answers was that the tissue that needed to reform after an injury was not forming. The body was not regenerating. So Theradaptive started with its mission to find a way to make this type of regeneration possible. The company focuses on a platform of very precise and targeted tissue repair through the creation of implants that guide the body's own healing process to repair tissues that are damaged either through injury, like in combat injury or in accidents, or through other diseases which rob that tissue of its function, such as with cancer. We are focusing on a number of clinical indications that address the needs of people who are suffering from degenerative disc disease, which is a very debilitating condition of the spine that produces pain. The company itself actually started out of work that came from MIT in the area of tissue repair. And it is through that work that the company was able to develop the technology and spin out and begin its commercialization work in Frederick, Maryland, using the support of both the federal government, the Department of Defense, and the Maryland Stem Cell Research Fund. Now, the work that's being supported under these types of programs is important because it affects literally hundreds of thousands of patients who really have no other treatment options available, or debilitating conditions in which, in many cases, forces them to remain bedbound or in a wheelchair for the rest of their lives. Fortunately, we've been able to make significant progress to develop technology to regenerate these tissues using both stem cells and bioactive components that now allow you to regenerate bone in the lower extremities, thus avoiding amputation, and also repairing degenerated discs in the spine, which in many patients has produced lifelong, intractable, and debilitating pain. One of the things that our technology allows doctors to do is now offer a new option so that the bone can be repaired completely and no longer have to make the very tough decision of amputation. So in that sense, giving patients options is really one of the most important benefits of this technology that MSCRF has helped to support.
Accelerating today's stem cell research into tomorrow's cures.